Faithful.
Malikhain.
Promising.
Adventurous. Kabugera.
Hardworking.
Goal-oriented. Masipag.
Considerate.
Explorer.
Determinado.
Bold. Mapagmahal.
Observant.
Tatag.
Outstanding.
Competitive.
Mapagkakatiwalaan.
Freedom.
Pag-asa.
Vibrant.
Ambitious.
Matapang.
Talented.
Hindi sumusuko.
Curious.
Mabait.
Responsible.
Natatangi.
Energetic.
Adaptive. Confident.
Beautiful.
Magiting.
Discreet.
Heroic.
Pursigido. Youthful.
Passionate.
Empowered.
Motivated.
Optimistic.
Productive.
Inspiring.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nais ko pong ipaabot ang ating pagbati sa ating mga kabataan ng Happy International Youth Day. Kasabay po ito ng selebrasyon ng Linggo ng Kabataan sa kanya-kanyang mga barangay sa pangunguna ng ating sangguniang kabataan. This year's International Youth Day theme, Intergenerational Solidarity, Creating a World for All Ages. This is to amplify the message that action is needed across all generations to achieve the sustainable development goals and leave no one behind. That is why we came up with the idea of our local theme, No Mabalakenyan Youth Should Be Left Behind. Naniniwala po ako na ang bawat kabataan ay may mahalagang gampanin sa pagbuo ng isang mapayapa at maunlad na bansa. Therefore, we should invest in our youth by empowering and realizing their full potential because I believe our youth is our future. Kung puso po namin hinahangad sa pamumuno ng ating City Mayor Crisostomo Garbo at sa pamumuna ng ating Vice Mayor Atty. Jel Aquino, kasama na rin ng ating mga City Councilors na walang kabataang Mabalakenyan at dapat maiwanan sa antas ng edukasyon, kalusugan, kabuhayan at iba pang programa ng pamahalaan. Sharing 1 Timothy 4 verse 12 with you, don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. Again, Happy International Youth Day.
Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Nais kong ipahatid ang aking pagbati sa ating mga Mabalakenyan youths. Happy International Youth Day. Kaisa ninyo ako sa pagsusulong ng inyong mga kapakanan at naniniwala ako na kasama ng inyong mga pagsusumikap, ito ang susi para sa patuloy na pagunlad ng ating city. As the saying goes, you are never too young to change the world. Again, Happy International Youth Day.
No Mabalakenyan youth should be left behind.